What? Ugh, it's so loud. Be quiet, I'm awake. At last. Ugh, come on. Not again. Be quiet. Hey! Get back here! You just made a big mistake. I'll get you. Ow. Ow! There's no escape. Gotcha! What the? At last. Where am I?
Matthew?
Hey, so how's things? Nice pajamas. This is so embarrassing. This is all your fault. This seems like a good spot to set up camp.
It's perfect, Mommy! Oh, I almost forgot. It's so fluffy and soft!
We need to put up the tent. This is much trickier than I thought. Hold on. Nope, that's not it. Where does this go? Ugh, this is so frustrating!
What's wrong? Let me help. It's like this. See? And this goes in here. And I'll tie the tent to the frame.
How did you do that? It looks amazing!
Hi, Mommy!
You must have worked up an appetite. I'll make something to eat. It smells so good. I just need to add hot water. It's that easy. I'll pour it over the noodles. And now we wait. Stacy, dinner is… Stacy? Where did she go? Stacy? She couldn't have gone far. Stacy! This isn't funny! Are you under the tent? Okay, I'm getting worried. Stacy? Come back! Stacy, where are you? Oh, I hope I don't get lost. Nope, she's not here.
Mom! Help!
Stacy? Are you okay? Who's that?
Hey, friend.
Let's get out of here. That was close.
It hurt so bad.
Oh, that looks sore.
Do something, Mommy!
Wait, we can use this. That freaky blue thing dropped it. This will suck out the splinter. I'll just place it over it and pull it out.
Whoa! That was amazing! It really worked!
I have an idea. I always wanted fuller lips. I hope this works.
Mom, I don't think you should do that.
Ooh, I feel like a Kardashian. Okay, let's eat.
I'm looking forward to this.
Oh, that's nice. I like that, too. I'm the greatest soccer player ever! Shh! Mommy's doing important things. Did you see that, Mom? Very good, honey. Careful! Sorry, Mom. I guess I need to practice more. You need to practice a lot.
No problem.
Oh my gosh! Matthew!
Huh? What's wrong? Oh, right. That.
We need to get you new clothes. I'm a pro at online shopping. There we go.
Okay, that was weird. I feel ridiculous.
Let's try something else.
Good.
How about this?
It's a little tight. What size are these? This isn't gonna work, Mom.
I'm enjoying this. This might suit you better.
Are you kidding me? No way!
Are you sure?
I don't even know what you're going for. Change it, Mom!
I'll get it right this time. Although…
Don't you dare! Maybe this can help you. It'll get the perfect measurements.
This is just what we need. This is so handy.
Remember, I have a big brain, not a big head.
I think that's everything. How's that?
I love it, Mom! I'm gonna practice!
Bye. Have fun.
Wow, what a day! I I can add this to my savings. In it goes. I can't believe how much I've got. I'm gonna get a drink. Time for some crime. She makes it too easy. I'm rich! Now to make my getaway. And just in time. That's so good. Huh? Where did my money go? I've been robbed! Oh well, that's life I guess. There's more where that came from. That's better. Hold on. I should make it more secure. I'm glad I installed a security system. My money should be safe now. It's going nowhere. I'm gonna go watch TV. Finally, she's gone. Oh goody, more money. Uh-oh, that's not good. Very sneaky, Stacy, but that won't stop me. I'll take that. The alarm went off. My money! Not again! No! Ugh, this is so annoying! Mommy!
What's all that noise?
There's a thief! They keep taking my money!
Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry. You could use this. It's a money-eating box. I think it'll help you.
What?
Try it out. Just put the coin in its mouth. Trust me, you'll like it.
Whoa, thanks, Mom! I have an idea. I think it's time to catch a thief. I'll just leave this money right here. I hope no one takes it. What's this? Who cares? There's money. Uh-oh. It's got my finger. It's trying to eat me. Help! Aha! I knew it! That was scary. You deserve it! Hand over my money! Fine. Take it. It's all there.
Aw, I was enjoying that. I'm still hungry.
Woof woof. Oh, hello, Mr. Dog. Achoo! Ugh, boogers.
Did someone say boogers?
Daddy? What are you doing?
A little warm. I better do something. Uh-huh. Luckily, I always have my first aid kit with me. Let's see, what do we need?
Seriously, what's going on?
Don't need that. Yet. Cough syrup?
Yuck!
Aha! I love this thing.
Ah!
This is what I need. Huh? Ellie! Where did she go?
He'll never find me back here.
I just want to take your temperature.
It's not gonna happen, Dad.
Ellie, get back here. This isn't a game. You're being silly. Ah! Hold on. I've got it. Haha, this will do the trick. Bullseye.
What was that?
She has no idea. Now let's find out your temperature. Phew, it was a false alarm. I can get back to my book. Huh? Oh no, this is serious. Are you okay, honey?
My ice cream is cold. Look! Yummy!
You could say it's pretty cool.
That's such a lame joke, Dad. I love bricks. I love toys because they're the best.
Yeah, honey, that's great.
You're not even listening. Wait, I know what to do.
Oh, honey, you dropped your toy. Don't worry, I'll fetch it for you. Here you go, honey. Now try not to let it get away from you again. You're so cute, though. Now back to my game.
Daddy's not paying attention to me at all.
Hi, honey. We're up by 4. Isn't that great?
No, it's not great. Pay attention to me.
Whoa, honey. Here are your toys again so you can stop crying.
Gimme.
There, that's better. Now back to the game. Honey, Daddy is trying to watch the game like he told you.
Dad! Daddy, I know you can hear me. Dad. That's it! Dad! I can't take it! Ah!
don't make a mess. Look at that. Your bricks are all over the floor now. That was a very naughty thing for you to do, Mandy. You're acting like a baby instead of the big girl I know you can be.
I don't want to be a big girl. You're a big meanie.
I don't want to hear any more out of you until you clean this up. All of it.
He's so mean. He's the biggest meanie in the whole world. I don't want to clean this up. Fine. I guess I better pick all the bricks up now. I hate these. They're the worst. I never want to play with them again. Oh, hey! There's some over there, too. Gotta pick them up. Ugh, they're stuck to this tape. Hey, I can use the tape. It'll pick up the bricks for me. Gonna become Captain Tape, superhero of the world. Yeah, I stick to everything. Take that, bricks. I need more. Captain Tape to the rescue! Here I go! I'll save the day from the evil bricks controlled by Evil Dad! Time to perform my supersonic sticky roll! Now quick, while they're distracted! Snow Angel! Yes! We're winning! Now supersonic sticky roll the other direction! Go, Captain Tape! Time for round 2! Whew!
Mandy, honey, is everything going okay in here? Oh, wow. This is amazing. You cleaned up the whole space, just like I asked.
No one can stop Captain Tape! Take it! Oh! This one's a toughie! Whoa! I'm in the splash zone! So gross! Ugh! Yikes! Mom! I need you!
What happened? You had a little splash, huh?
Big time.
What? Did you put that balloon in here?
It's just staring at us. Yay! I forgot about my special balloon. Yay!
How long has that been in here? Actually, I have a brilliant idea. I just need a bath bomb and a deflated balloon. Put the bath bomb inside of the balloon. Then use a pin to poke a bunch of holes. Once that's done, it's time to get into the water. Ugh, so messy up here. Open up the tank and drop the balloon on in. Whoop! Flush! No splashback, and it smells nice. Ellie!
Yeah?
Look at your new toilet.
I don't know if I want to do this again. But I can't hold it. Ugh. Phew! Hey! No splashing! Yay! You're the best, Mom! Oops, got another one!
Ready for the show?
Hello, Mickey! Hi, Dolly! Oh no, a dinosaur! Wow, this is intense! Huh? Mommy, I did a stinky.
I can smell it from here. Oh, that's bad.
Oops.
We need to potty train you. It's what big girls do. Watch this.
Wow, the pressure!
Then you poop in the potty. It's that simple. Let's try it.
Now? Okay, let's do it! Woohoo! Look at my hat!
Oh, I should have seen that coming. No, you need to sit on it. Mickey, stop it.
Giddy up! This is weird.
Like this. Poop goes there. Don't eat it.
You're mean!
No, don't cry.
This is silly. I like my diapers.
Hang on. Give me that. How I put the diaper in the potty. You can still poop in the diaper.
Ooh, that sounds like a good deal.
Go ahead. It's working!
Don't watch. Whoa! I did it!
That's my girl! Well done! Ooh, that's a lot. Let's put this in the trash. Ooh, quickly!
I did it, Mommy.
Of course you did. Ooh, Mickey!
I need to go again.
No problem.
So embarrassing. I'll never live this down. Time to pee-pee. I've been holding it in. Ah, that's better. Whee! This is fun! I like the splashes. Oops! Missed that time.
Whoa! I hit the ceiling!
Pew! Pew! No hands! I shouldn't have had that second soda. I'll help Mom and water the plants. Drink up, little guy. Oh, right on target. This is great. All done. I better flush. Can't forget to wash my hands. Never mind.
Alex! What are you doing? Wash your hands!
All clean.
Good boy. Oh no! What happened in here? Please tell me that's water. Alex? Was this you?
Yeah, I needed the toilet.
Oh, I've only got myself to blame. Maybe I can fix this. Ooh, it's time for a little shopping. That's what I need. Wow, that's good service.
Whoa! What is that?
It's your very own toilet.
Ooh, right! Cool! Here goes!
Oh, I'll give you a minute.
Wow! I'm finished, Mommy!
Good boy! You did great! Doo-doo-da. Oh, hello. I feel so alive.
Ooh, no way! Look what he has! They're so pink! Bandages for owies! They're so pretty! I love them! They've got flowers! He's too dumb. Just a dumb boy. I'm gonna use them. Yeah, bandages all over my arm. Look, I spelled his name. I'm the best sister ever. Wait a second. I know what I should do. Alex is a loser! Oh no, here he comes!
He sends the funniest memes, I swear. Hey, wait a second. What did you do? Mandy! You touched my stuff!
I know. Wait, no I don't.
Ugh, Mandy! I can't even with you right now. You're driving me crazy! Does that say, Alex, loser? And we're gonna take these off right now.
Ow! Owie, that hurt! You're so mean!
I'm sorry. Stop crying. Look, this Vaseline will do the trick. I promise. It won't hurt.
No, I don't want it! Get it away from me! Huh? Oh.
See? I told you it wouldn't hurt. You should trust me. Now we can just peel these off and they won't hurt at all. See? But there. Last two are gone.
Yay! That didn't hurt at all! Thanks, Alex. You're the best!
Don't forget to share this video with your friends and remember more great videos just like this one.